Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karami. I am back with Love a Little channel. This wonderful open collaboration was first started by Angela the Traveling Crafter, Carol from Crinkled Path, and Carrie the Paper Monkey. I was watching one of their live sales and they had coined it and came up with this wonderful way to help promote smaller channels that have under 1,000 subbies. So today I'm going to be featuring one of my favorite channels, and it is Christine's, and it's Kawaii Memo Love. She had sent me some surprise birthday mail, and here it is. Christine, thank you so much. She said that was little. This is not small. This is a big box. I want to show you the cute little tape that she used here. Look at that. It says, I'm shy. But that is adorable. Christine, thank you again. If you're not familiar with her channel, her resin creations are really good. She also does a lot of project shares showing what she sends out to swaps, and her creations are just amazing. She also does mystery boxes and unboxings and also some wonderful hauls. So make sure to check out her link. I'll link it down below. Let's open it up and see what she sent. Oh my gosh. We previously did a swap. I think it was last year, and I'll link it at the end so you can see what she sent me. Oh my God. Christine, this is not little. This is so much. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Life is about the little moments. Isn't that so true? Should I open this last? I'll open it in a little bit. This guy caught my eye. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. It is an avocado toast. It's so funny. I was in Japantown in San Francisco, and they were selling a similar plushie, but this is adorable. It's by Squishables. And this is definitely going to be included in my Kawaii collection of keychains. And she's given me another one in the past. It was like a little pumpkin, and I just love it. And I love squeezing these things. So thank you. Let me move the box and let's have a look and see what else is in here. So Christine does a lot of Michael's grab bag unboxings. And oh my gosh, it's so much fun sharing that. You have to see it. Now look at what she shared. It is a beautiful trim. I believe in Santa, and I still do. So thank you for sharing that. Oh my gosh. She has shared these cute little Nomis. I am definitely going to use it for our Christmas packaging and decorating this 2024. Finn's growling. I think there's a delivery, so excuse the background noise. And then we have this cute little stick pick with a Nomi, so that'll be fun to put on a planner with some Christmas decor. Love it. Christine, so sweet of you. I had commented and said how cute this sign was, and she ended up giving it to me. It's the North Pole City Limits, and wouldn't that be fun to add again to our holiday decor? So thank you so much. That is so sweet. Oh my gosh, there is so much stuff in here. I'm going to go ahead and just pull them out first and take out the plastic because, oops, right back. I wanted to show you that beautiful sticker. It says Valentine's goodies from my Michael's grab box. The first item from that bundle is this cute cookie cutter, and how awesome would this? My daughter Emmy loves to bake, and this would be fun to make our dog Finn some dog little biscuits, so we are going to use that. And then look, she's also shared this cookie cutter that says EXO, and that'll be fun to make also for any occasion, Christmas, Valentine's, and maybe for Finn too. And look, she shared this heart whisk. Oh my gosh, Emmy's gonna be thrilled, so I'm gonna share that with her and have her use it while she bakes. And let's see what this is. So this is a candy mold. Wow, oh, here it is. Okay, so you pour the candy in there and then take it out, and then you can decorate your cupcakes that way. So sweet. Thank you so much. And then here, oh, how cute. I love birds, but this is a nice little decorative birdhouse that we can put outside with our plants. So thank you very much for sharing it. Look at that cute top there. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness, there's more goodies in here. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh, how beautiful. It's a weekly planner. Let me open it up. Thank you so much. This is really fun to have at my desk. So much needed. Thank you. Thank you. Here it is, guys. Let's open it up. And how amazing is this? So she got this from Miniso, and I love Miniso. Look at that. You can do your lists. And I love that it's not dated, so you can use it anytime. Thank you very much, Christine. You are so thoughtful. And there's more goodies in here. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite. I'm really low on this, but this lip mask is my favorite. It has this cute little applicator, and it looks like a little honeycomb. Not honeycomb, but you know, that little honey dip. So thank you very much for sharing that with me and gifting it to me. Oh my gosh, there is so much. So she put it in a cute little baggie. And as you can see, it is filled. We have hydrating hand cream in cinnamon. Oh, wow. That is interesting. Let me smell that. That's so cool. I've never had cinnamon scented lotion. So let's give this a little whiff. Oopsie. Oh, that's nice. I love that. It's mild and I love it. Thank you very much. Let's see what else is here. Oh my goodness. I love it. This is perfect. Emmy, my daughter, might borrow this, so I might have to give it to her. But when I, put my makeup on or washing my face at night, it's always good to put this and hold your hair back. So thank you for that. Oh my gosh. We love My Melody, and Christine had actually recently unboxed her My Melody mystery bag from Japan. You have to see it. Super, super cute. I love those bags. So look at what she gave me. These are hair elastics. Oh, that is adorable. Thank you so much. And then what's this? Ooh, look at the packaging. Avocado banana milk. And it's a hydrating plant-based milk mask. I like that. I'm gonna have to try it. Oh my gosh, that is super cool. Thank you very much. That is so awesome. But we have 3 more items here. I hope you're still with me because I have a little announcement too at the end. So stay tuned. But oh my gosh. This is a body oil, and it's plant body oil olive, and olive is really great for your skin. So I'm excited to try this out as well. Wow. Love the self-care stuff that you've given me. Oh my gosh, that's so thoughtful. And look at this. Plant body oil tea seed. Oh, I've never tried this, but this is again from Miniso. Oh my gosh. Thank you. And I love the packaging. Craft paper with like almost this stamp looking label. Isn't that fun? Really, really cute. I love it. There's one more item. Here it is. And I'm gonna put this in my journal. Life is about our little moments. Oh my gosh. And speaking of little moments, I had fun with my sister who celebrated my birthday. Oh, it's a note. Hold on. I see it. I just realized the note's there. So let me read that. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Christine. This means so much. Thank you. You are such an amazing friend as well. And super thoughtful. You didn't have to send me all this goodies, but I really, really appreciate it. It's so amazing how, again, we all find these wonderful connections virtually, and we don't even really know each other personally, but somehow the common factor is crafting. And I love that aside from that, we've developed relationships and kind of gotten to know each other through the years, and I am really, really thankful. So Christine, thank you very much. And look, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. She has sent me a prayer journal, and prayer is really powerful. It's so important and much needed nowadays, especially in times that not only at times when we feel down or in need of that support, but prayer is also a great way to be thankful and to show gratitude. So this is amazing. I am definitely, it has a little letter here which I will read in private, and then we have beautiful pages here. So thank you so much for sharing this. I love it. So let me put this right there along with your note. And if you're still with me, I'm actually hosting. I wasn't able to host it during my birthday, and I thought this would be a great time to do it. So this giveaway is a Love a Little channel giveaway. I wanted to recommend a few channels that I feel you guys will enjoy. I wish I had more time to watch more videos and see everyone's channels as well. But I wanted to simplify it so that you don't have to mail me anything. All you have to do obviously is be a visible subscriber to my channel, like and comment. And for this particular giveaway, I am going to be linking specific videos down below for some channels that I'd like to show support to. And like, again, I didn't want to list so many so you don't have a hard time. So I think I'm going to be sharing, I think 6 to 7 channels that I think you guys, again, will appreciate. One is Kawaii Mama Love, which is Christine's channel. I love her style. I love ASMR style videos, and she has a great variety of content. I love her crafting and her unboxings and happy mail shares. So check her out. That's one. The second one is FP Handmade. She's a wonderful card maker, and she's really close also to getting to hitting 1K. So I hope you guys can help her out. She has wonderful ideas on how to make cards. She occasionally also hosts some giveaways, so check her out. Next one is Susan's Heartstrings. And Susan is such a sweetheart, super sweet friend. And all of these channels have been great supporters of my channel personally, have been really consistent about commenting and also interacting and engaging with me. And Susan's in particular is just, oh, it's so dreamy. I love her creations, and she is really so sweet. She has beautiful kind of shabby chic aesthetic, so make sure to check it out. And then the next one, BB's Closet Creations, is also on the road to 1K, super close, and she is an amazing, talented journal maker and crafter. We've done our collaborations together, and she's been a wonderful friend. She's like my baby sister to me, and I think Christine is also like a baby sister to me as well. But BB, I hope you guys can show her some love. She is just amazing and super fun to watch. Another channel that is new and is still kind of, building content is a really close friend of mine, Nikita. It's Joanne's channel, Nikita2471. And she has, most of the stuff that she shares are hauls. And I think eventually she may be sharing some of her beautiful ATCs and altered card collages. If you missed the unboxing of the Happy Mail she sent me, it was amazing. I love it. Another channel that I want to bring your attention to is Journal Gigi Hana. I love her creations. I love vintage when it comes to making embellishments for your junk journals. She makes some really beautiful ones, and it is a must-see. So I'm going to link, again, specific videos that I want you to check out to see what their content's about. Show them some love, subscribe, and comment if you would like. And then I will go from there and add you to my giveaway. And then finally, one of the hosts of this open collaboration is Carol from Crinkled Path. And she is also so close to hitting her 1K milestone. She has wonderful junk journaling, thrifting hauls, and also occasionally she'll do travel vlogs, which I really enjoy. I love that segment or series. And so I will be including her as a little bonus channel for you to check out. I think you guys will enjoy it. So for the price, this will be open for the gift card. It'll be open internationally, US, Canada, and internationally, because I'll be offering a $25 Amazon gift card. And for US only, I am going to be giving away a little crafty price pack. I'll be sharing what's going to be in it probably next Tea Tuesday, but this was just kind of very spontaneous. I just decided to do it while unboxing this video, so I'm still putting the package together. So I hope again you guys can check out all of those channels down in the description box. Click on those specific video links, comment in their channels, let them know that I sent you, and I will add you to my giveaway draw, which I will be doing. I think it'll be on April 6th, which, if I'm not mistaken, is a Saturday. The first weekend of April is when I'm going to be doing the drawing for the winner. I hope you guys can join in the fun. Again, a big thank you to Christine for this amazing surprise happy birthday mail. I am super touched and sending you some big warm hugs. I'll be in touch with you soon. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.